I think that's really where the kind of future is going. All the different types of devices, wearables, all of that's kind of fitting nicely into healthcare. Obviously, with COVID, people are very familiar now with how to take tests and how to do tests on their own, potentially at home. So moving that into things outside of COVID, I think it's going to be happening quite rapidly, to where you could actually do a number of tests at home, and then obviously push that data into a system to give you a result and maybe potential future results as well. So finding out, again, even like a genetic test as an example. So I think that is a big, I think, focus of what will happen in the future of healthcare in the next couple of years, and obviously beyond.
The last few years has showed us a lot of great diagnostics, methylation-based clocks, proteomics, et cetera. I think the next few years, there'll be a lot more data to kind of refine those tools. We'll probably see more tools come online to help us understand the hallmarks of aging better, and how they fit with individual patients, rather than just this esoteric idea of these hallmarks. And also, in the next few years, we'll see better use or more effective use of our current medications and supplements and therapies, how they interact better together. But I think in the future, if you fast forward a few years from now, you'll probably see things like stem cell-based therapies come online, and be used more widely, understood more widely, CRISPR and, genetic manipulation type tools. And of course, further down the line, nanobot-based technology, and then maybe eventually, if you follow Ray Kurzweil, he believes you can upload our brain to the computer, but we're not sure when that's going to happen. 50 years from now, we don't know. So it depends on what you mean by future. But I can say with confidence that the future looks a lot brighter now, than what we have right now. Thanks to all the hard work and dedication of everybody who's working on the problem.
So as I say, I believe that the future already started, and it's with this biohacking, everybody getting data, getting new testing at home, and getting educated and proactive. And I do think that the obsolete healthcare system needs to open room for that. And I see that's our next step. I do think I want to see all this data and all these tests incorporated into the standard of medicine. And I think that would be the next step. And I believe that the foundation needs to change for that we need more time, that we need to change the way that we reimburse doctors, because I think that's where we're stuck at. All these data, all these things that we're using in private medicine, and we're helping only the people who have access to it.
I was considering that we may have some sort of differences between the progress that we are seeing in medicine, progress in sensors, progress in the way that we handle the diseases, progress in the fact that we are getting always more personalized. We are transforming the patient more in a health manager than just a patient, because we are empowering everybody to have a better control of his body, of all his systems.